Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with today's date. March 16th, 2023. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we review letters and blends. Next, we will answer questions about poems. Then, we will use repetition in our poem. Last, we will look at the Lexia data and do literacy centers. It is a great day. Love, Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Let's look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point and start with this month. I see a capital March. What does that say? It does say March. If you remember that, great job. Let's go ahead and reread the whole date. Are you ready? March 16th, 2023. After the date, let's reread our greeting. Dear class family, after the greeting, I see a punctuation mark. It starts on the line, does a little curve. Do you know what it's called? It is a comma. If you remember that, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. As we are rereading, I want you to search for punctuation marks like commas, oops, commas, exclamation points, and periods. All right. And we're also going to look for transitional words and phrases. Say them with me. First, next, then, last. So as we're rereading, notice these transitional words. Remember, good writers can sequence their writing with first, next, then, and last, in addition to many other transitional words and phrases. Let's continue rereading. Look at the first sentence, starting with a capital T. Good writers start sentences with capital letters. I notice a bigger space here to indent. Good writers also leave an indentation or indent to jumpstart their paragraph. Let's reread the first telling sentence. Today is Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's a thankful Thursday. Let's reread the second sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every day to be a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. We do this by listening, writing, and drawing, asking and answering questions, making connections, and sharing our thinking. Make sure that you speak loudly and clearly for all to hear. Use your mouth to speak and your ears to listen. All right, let's go ahead now and say this transitional word. First. First, we will review letters and blends. Okay, so just like we do every day, we'll use our word wall as a resource to review the ABCs, letters, sounds, pictures to match that word in addition to American Sign Language. We're also going to be doing blends today. Look at some consonant blends like BR, burr, BL, bull, CR, cur, CL, cool, like burr, like brown, bull, like block, cur, like crab, cool, like loud. Then we got dur, like drum, tur, like train, fur, like fruit, and full, like fly. Class family, we're going to be looking at some blends today. Shout out to Jack Hartman's YouTube channel. We are going to be using your blends songs today to pump our brains with knowledge. All right, and shout out to Mr. B. We'll be using your site as well. Let's go ahead and look at the next transitional word starting right here. Say it with me. Next. Next, we will answer questions about poems. Okay, so good readers can answer questions about things. So we're going to reread some poems and we're going to answer questions about them. All right, now I see this transitional word here. Do you know what this says? Say it with me. Then. Then we will use repetition in our poem. Okay, we're going to use repetition in our poem that we're going to write in class, and you'll see how other authors or poets can use repetition in there. So we're going to look for those repeating lines. Oh, I see another transitional word. Last. Last, we'll look at the Lexia data and do literacy centers. All right, we'll look at the Lexia data. We'll see how many units you passed and if you met your goal for this week. We'll also do some other centers in class. It's going to be fantastic. It is a great day. Love, Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Give one more fantastic. Fantastic. Our do you like question of yes or no answers for today is dun dun dun. Do you like four-leaf clovers? Well, do you? Think about your answer. We're going to be a great communicator and share a reason why. Do you like four-leaf clovers?